Desitin Maximum Strength Baby Diaper Rash Cream with Desitin is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. The #1 choice of pediatricians and parents, Desitin Maximum Strength Diaper Rash Paste works to effectively treat and help prevent diaper rash discomfort. Made with 40% maximum level zinc oxide, this rich, thick diaper rash cream soothes and relieves on contact by sealing out wetness and protecting chafed skin due to diaper rash. Dermatologist and pediatrician tested, it is clinically shown to protect baby's delicate skin for 12 hours. The hypoallergenic formula of this diaper rash treatment is gentle enough for daily use and is free of parabens, phthalates, dyes, and soap. Desitin Maximum Strength Diaper Rash Paste provides 5-in-1 action to treat, heal, protect, soothe and prevent diaper rash. For healing you can see and relief your baby can feel. 4-ounce tube of Desitin Maximum Strength Diaper Rash Paste with 40% of zinc oxide works on contact to treat and prevent diaper rash discomfort. Rich, thick diaper rash cream is formulated with 40% maximum level zinc oxide and is clinically shown to protect baby skin for up to 12 hours. The #1 choice of pediatricians and parents, it provides effective diaper rash relief by immediately forming a protective barrier on baby's skin to seal out wetness and soothe chafed skin. Its hypoallergenic formula is paraben, phthalate, dye and soap-free. It is also dermatologist and pediatrician tested and is gentle enough for daily use. Maximum Strength Diaper Rash Paste provides 5-in-1 action to treat, heal, protect, soothe and prevent diaper rash. For healing you can see and relief your baby can feel.